Hey guys, this is Mohammad Kashan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so today topic is the API integrations. We have to read the documents carefully. So what the document says? Document says you are integrating the sign-in API and which has a post call here. And in this API, when I open it, so into this we have the JSON object. In the JSON object, so we need an email and then password here. Okay, so it will return the status code. If it success, it return the status code 200. So I am so let's go to the code. I have already met the functions where I am just calling the API, and I am just putting it into my code. Don't worry, this code is very simple, and it what it does I am just telling you. It is the two major part. It has a two major part, the URL and the body, and then this URL and body defining defining the post parameters, post call parameters. Okay, so this post call parameter response stores into the response variable. So URL is basically the app base URL, and app base URL has a endpoints app auth and sign in. App auth is basically I'm returning the from app constants. Okay, so this is my endpoint app auth. Okay, so I have created it, and now we have to put into the sign-in functions. Sign-in functions we are just uncommented, and I am just calling the authentications has the sign-in functions, and sign-in functions returning or taking two parameters, emails and then password and email returns from the text editing controllers, and text editing controllers uh, have to call in as a controller into the text fields. We are two text fields here, email and then password. So I am just putting the password and then email controller. Okay, and the API call, when this event perform, when the user tap onto the login button, the this functions this function will call. Okay, so this functions will call when the user tap this button. So I am just putting the tap button is here. This is the login, text login, and this is the tap button here. So I am just calling the API here, and also put the password controller because this is email controller is not right here. For the confirming, I am printing it, and I am printing the value as well. So I am just saying that. So I am just putting that BTW BTW you, or you can wait a minute. I am just copying and paste and password 1 2 3. Okay, then login. So the success is what it is calling. This function is called, and email is test123567 at gmail.com, and password is 123, and the value is this thing. So we need the token here, because in the next video you are seeing that I am just creating a sessions of my